Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, guys. Alright, to successfully remove your YouTube account from other devices, it's the same as removing your Google account from other devices. So what you need to do is remove your Google account. So to do that, click onto your YouTube app, and then you'll be brought to the home page here, and then click onto your profile. So make sure you are logged in on the correct email address or channel. And then from here, you want to click onto Google account. And then once you're here, you got these tabs across. So you got home, personal info, data privacy. You want to click onto security. And then on this page, scroll down till you hit the bottom of the page here, or near the bottom, your devices, where you're signed in. So click onto manage all devices. And this is where you are signed in inside Google, which is essentially YouTube. So to sign out of any of these sessions or devices, just click onto any session or device. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign out of here. So I'm going to click into here, and then I'm going to click on sign out, and that's going to sign me out of that device there. So my Google and YouTube account will be signed out. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you thought it was helpful.